This Moroccan orange salad is made with a simple dressing of orange blossom water, cinnamon, olive oil, salt. And it is such a delicious treat. We enjoy this as a dessert in Morocco all the time. So the first step is just peeling the oranges. You want to make sure to peel off not only the peel, but also the pith, which is that white layer in between the skin and the flesh of the orange. There are so many different ways to peel an orange, but this is my personal favorite. I learned this technique from my grandma and from my dad. It really helps to use a paring knife for this just because you have a lot more control over the knife. And I love to use a variety of oranges, different kinds of citrus. So here I'm using a blood orange, a cara orange, and just a traditional navel orange. Once you have the oranges peeled, it is time to slice them. And I like to do thin slices, about a half of an inch in thickness, but again, this is kind of up to your personal preference. But I find that the thinner they are, the more they absorb that really delicious dressing. So to make the dressing, as I mentioned, the primary ingredient is orange blossom water, and to that we're adding salt, cinnamon, and olive oil. That's it. Everything gets whisked together until it is smooth and consistent, and then the last step is literally just pouring this dressing over the oranges. And I really like to arrange my oranges in a fun way like this, where I'm alternating the different kinds of citrus. It just makes for a really beautiful salad. I hope you try this and enjoy.